Hello, it's Woolly Hat, and today I'm going to show you how to do a half treble. So just as we did for the double crochet and the treble, I've done a foundation chain like that. Now with the double crochet we went into the second chain from the hook, into the treble crochet we went into the fourth chain from the hook. Now the half treble is halfway in between the double crochet and the treble, so we're now going to go into the third. So we're going to start off exactly like we did for the treble. So it's yarn over, but we're going to go 1, 2, 3. So we're going to go into the chain, and if you notice I've put it under both the top one and the middle loop. You can, if your tension is hard, to do it above just the top one. But whichever way you do it, be consistent so that it looks good. So that's half treble. So I'm going in again, into there, oops, yarn over, so you've got 3 loops on just as you would for a treble, yarn over again, and instead of doing 2 by 2 we're going to go through the whole lot. So yarn over, through the chain, draw through the yarn, yarn over and through the whole lot. There we go. Yarn over, through the chain, draw through the whole lot. Yarn over, through the chain, yarn over through the whole lot, yarn over, through the chain, draw through, yarn over, through the lot. So the half treble is used a lot in garments and pieces of work that need quite a close fabric. So it's a lot less holy than a treble, but it's a bit more taller than a double. So there you are. So we've now got, so your first bit of chain that you moved over counts as 1 stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 stitches. And you've got the familiar chain at the top, and you've got little legs there. But you've also got this bit here, which is more emphasised on the other side. I'll show you. So that also looks a bit like a chain, but you need to make sure you understand the difference, because when we get to here we'll be going underneath both of the top loops but not underneath that one there. We're going to go into this hole here. Some people think that when they're starting to learn that is the top of the stitch, but that's the top of the stitch. So let's have a go at the second row. So excuse me, turning chain for a half treble is 2 trebles, 1, 2, and as I said before, I like to do my turning chains before I turn because it gives a nicer finish, I think. So the first stitch we're going to go into is not this one here, it's this one here. Okay, so you can see it's under both loops. It's going to go under both loops, but not under that one. So it's going to go in that hole there. So I'm going to start as I did before, yarn over, into the stitch, draw through and pull through, just as we did before. So I'll crack on down the row so I can show you how to do the end. So we've got, this is the last sort of big holy stitchy thing that you might identify as a stitch, but you've still got another stitch at the end there. So we're going to go into that one. So if we count the stitches, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we need to get 2 more stitches in here because we had 10 before. So we'll go into this one there. This is the top of the turning top of the first stitch there. As you can see, it's gone through that hole. Now this is the turning chain. So we're going to yarn over and we're going to go into the turning chain. There we go. Pull through and finish off your stitch. So there's your last 2 stitches. So you've got, excuse me, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 stitches. So you're now ready to turn and do again. So 1, 2, turn your work, and we're going to go into not that one but that one, so that your stitches line up just as we did with your treble. There you go. So that's your half treble, a very useful stitch to have, and should be very easy to do. Have fun, and I hope you enjoy using it. That's all for now. Bye.